Here's a Ford we just got in, you don't see every day. 1968 Ranchero. This particular vehicle came from us from a family where the owner unfortunately is no longer with us, and it had sat in storage inside with them for some time, covered up, and just wasn't being used or driven, so they brought it to us. Gave it the once over, has a new Edelbrock carb on it. Runs out very nicely now. I'd call this a nice driver quality car. Was originally a white car from Ford with a red interior, so it still retains the original colors that would have came in. It was originally a 390 car that has been replaced with a 302. Does have power steering, power brakes. You can look down this one, see how straight it is. Very, very straight car, solid car. Check out the undersides and interior and all the still pics if you want to see what I'm talking about. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Sure, feel free to give us a call to 507-386-1726. You can see the antenna. They stated one of them had broken taking the cover on and off when they weren't quite so careful doing that. I'd call this a nice driver quality car. Has had a little aftermarket stereo added underneath the dash, and get AM FM rather than just the AM one that I believe was in it to begin with. Again, you can see how straight the car is, not full of a lot of dings, nicks, scratches. This bed of it has had a bed liner in it. Let me pull this back so you can see it's not all rusted or anything like that. You might get a little surface rust here and there, but not all dinged up or full of rust. Won't be afraid to jump in this one, turn the key and go. Have a little fun. Take it to your local cruise-ins and your local shows, or even out just for that Sunday ice cream trip. Again, check out those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. You can see the engine bay, interior. Once again, our number 507-386-1726. Check out this driver's side, take a look down it. You can see it's a straight. As going down the passenger side, you can look above and around these wheel wells, not all full of blisters. There's one little spot I noticed over here when I had it up on the hoist. Just a little bit right there, if you can see it show up. But overall, not too bad. Like I said, definitely considered a nice driver quality car. Go ahead and check out the interior. In '68, this one was considered a Ranchero Fairlane 500, so that's why it shares the door cards. You can tell that by decoding of the VIN. It's also how I knew it had the 390 in it to begin with, but has had the 302 replace it. See the vinyl and cloth interior, nice shape. Headliner and everything, good shape. Carpeting down here shows a little bit of wear where it's pulled out from the door sill panel, but nothing major. Steering wheel, dash, all appear to be stock. I'm going to go ahead and slip in and start this up too while you guys check out the interior here a second. Like I said, the dash is not all cracked. Go ahead and fire it up here. Here's the AM FM CD, it appears Panasonic stereo that was added. Light was because the door was open, so we'll close that up. Odometer reads 68,105. I don't know if you can really see it with the light. Previous owner had stated her husband believed that that was original. I guess judging by the dash and stuff would make sense, but at the same time I don't have paperwork to confirm or deny that. 302's got a nice little rumble out of it. Sit around back so you can hear it. Nothing crazy. Nice sounding V8. I'm going to go ahead and come up here and pause this a second. We'll pop that hood so you can check out the engine bay quick. See that 302 underneath there. Alright, there you go. Like I said, it does have a new Edelbrock carb on there. Edelbrock intake. Power steering, power brakes. Nice little running 302. Faceless, clean and tight. Once again, very nice driver quality car. 1968 Ford Ranchero. Just in here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Or check out those still pictures on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com.